everybody and welcome back to my channel. This week's video is going to be a recreation of the MMMMitchell live Instagram that he did the other week. As we're all in quarantine or slash furlough at the moment, I just decided to film it. I did put a picture of this on my Instagram, I want to say last week as well, and I did ask if you want me to recreate it, and here it is. I was a bit anxious at the beginning of this video, so I know I sound all bubbly and me now, but when it switches to me back at the beginning, I was a bit quiet. I'm a bit, it's getting to me a little bit, is what's going on with the world, like, and I'm trying to stay positive, so I thought I would recreate this look today. Some things didn't go my way, my eyelashes wouldn't stick, I couldn't find things, I was just getting frustrated, so if I do get a bit mardy in this video, you'll have to excuse me, it's not my usual self. So yeah, so let's go on with the tutorial. Right, so let's crack on with the tutorial. When he did the got a voice this morning. When he did the Instagram live, I took some notes about what products he used, when to use it then. So I'm going to start off by using the usual P. Louise base. I'm going to take it underneath my brow bone, but I am not going to put it on my lid because that's not what he did. Let's come a little bit closer and put them on. Just need to get them. I'm very not prepared for this. So just the usual, pump some of the base onto my hand, and I'm literally just going to pop it underneath the brow. But I'm not popping it on the lid. So this is the fun and messy part. So then I'm going to take two, what are they like? What the class is? Liquid eyeshadows? Don't really know what the class is, but the MMMMitchell Acid Rain collection, and he uses the colour Glow Girl, which is this one here, and Nitro. So I'm just going to pop Glow Girl on the inner corner of my crease, and he uses a Morphe M506. I'm just using a scratchy bit of cardboard because last time I did this I put it on my hand and I literally couldn't, that pink colour stained my whole hand. So I'm just popping that Glow Girl on the inner portion of my eye with a Morphe M506, and this is just going to shape out the eye look. You just want to take a clean brush and buff the edges. And then I've just had to quickly clean my Morphe 506 brush because I don't have two of them. So then I'm taking the colour Nitro and I'm going to pop that on the outer corner to blend in with the Glow Girl. Don't worry if it don't look perfect and it looks weird. This look doesn't come together until right at the end. You just want to blend out the Nitro colour with a clean brush. Does look weird, don't worry. It turns out, well, last time I did this it did turn out alright. Then I am going into the Me, Myself and Mitchell Me, Myself and I palette from Beauty Bay. As you can see, it is well loved. It's a bit battered and bruised, but this palette is absolutely amazing. You can do all sorts of looks with it. So I'm going straight in with the colour Moody Mitch, and I'm going to pop Moody Mitch on top of the Nitro, and I'm not taking it right up to the top. Don't like it that the mirror comes disconnected though, it's a pain in the ass. I'm just taking that on top of Nitro. Just deepens the colour a bit. Then I'm taking the colour Morgan and I'm going to pop that over the top of Glow Girl. I am then going in, oh bloody hell. I am then going in with the colour Mist, which is the blue colour. And I'm going to take that right up to the edge of Nitro above Moody Mitch. I am then taking the lime green Shmoney and the yellow Manchester, mixing them together, and I'm just going to pop it above the blue side. And then on the other side I am just taking, let's have a look, so I've written it all down here. Oh, I'm taking Morning Glory, let's have a look. So Morning Glory is the bright pink, and I'm taking that above the pink side. And I'm taking the same colour, yellow, Manchester, and I'm going to pop that above Morning Glory, the pink that I've just popped on. So, oh god, I look like I've been punched in eyes. It looks awful, do not worry. So I'm taking the blank canvas colour out of the Acid Rain collection, and I'm going to cut my crease with it, so wish me luck. Bloody hell. I probably have to be really quiet for this bit because I am really concentrating. Right, so now I've cut the crease, I'm going to need a really white colour, and the only white colour I seem to have is from the Blood Sugar palette, and the colour Glucose, which is what I'm going to be using onto the lid. I'm going back into the Mitchell palette, and I'm going to be using the colour Modest on the outer of the cut crease that I have just laid down there. I'm going in with the colour Miracle and Manchester. Right, now it's time for a winged liner. I'm just going to fill that in. Then for lashes, I'm just using a Rimmel London Wonderfully Real, just like any. To be honest, I'm never that fussed on mascara because I usually 9 times out of 10 wear false lashes, and I just see it as like something for my false lashes to hold on to. So I will pop my lashes on after I've done my base. I'm going to pop my concealer and foundation on, my Too Faced Born This Way Pearl and Snow. I'll just do my usual application from here. I'm going to take my MAC setting powder in light and my Rimmel London Stay MAC in Silky Beige 005. Got a cat get comfy. So for bronzer, I'm going to be using a really old, nasty, dirty NYX palette. Because I don't know where to put my other one. Let's try it. Let's just be a bit more. Okay, I really can't use that palette. It's minging. Right, I found it. but look at the state of that from that bloody NYX palette. Looks awful. God, what the hell is that? Oh, I suppose it's not bad now. I'm just not having a good skin day today. Been feeling a bit anxious lately about everything that's going on, and I've come out in so many spots. My skin's not playing, nothing's working, nothing's blends now. Just pop some contour on. Oh no, I've just hit pan. I don't feel like I dare go out at the moment, and I've been furloughed from work, so I just feel like I'm gonna end up like a recluse, not daring to come out of the house. But the thought of even going to the supermarket now fills me with dread. Like I need to try and be a bit more positive, which I am gonna try and do. The whole politeness of this video has gone out of the window. Bang some blush on. I like this blush. It's got a bit of a sheen to it. My actual favourite blush from Benefit is the Coralista one. Highlight, what shall we go for? If you could see the state of this room, it's a right mess. Should we use this palette? I'm gonna go for the colour Muffin. You see it there. I'm gonna go for Muffin, like a pinky sheen. See what that looks like. You know what, it doesn't look that bad, I quite like that. Start on my under eye. Now in the live, I don't think he actually did put anything on her under eye. So I'm just gonna make it up. What brush to use? I don't really use my Spectrum brushes anymore, I only use Morphe, so they are good brushes in all fairness. I think I might, because the vast majority of this eye is quite a bluey eye, I'll try and go in with like the Morning Glory colour. Going back in with the colour that I use as a highlight, that Muffin colour. And I've just popped it on the inner corner. Just so it ties in with like the white shadow that I've got. Back in with the colour Morgan again, that we used right at the beginning. Just to deepen that. Pop some mascara onto the... What is that? Ugh, I think an eyelash had just fallen out. Pop them on. The glue looks to have gotten nice and tacky. Bad lash day. I feel like I left the glue a little bit too long. I feel like it has gone. I feel like it's dried too much. So today I'm not having a good day. The bloody kids screaming outside. Lawnmowers going off. People deciding to demolish the garden. I'm trying to film a bloody video. This was not meant to be today, was it? I feel like I just need to go get some food after this. Oh my god. And I've just put lash glue in my hair. Some grapes while we wait. M&S grapes, of course. The lash is not sticking on in the front corner and I'm getting pissed off. Sometimes you have a bad lash day. That one went straight on, right? No problem, right? This one does not want to play. I'm really sorry I forgot to hit record, so I just popped some Christmas cookie on. Yep, so that is the finished look. I hope you enjoyed this video. It's just a recreation of the live Instagram that MMMMitchell did. I think it was last week, something like that. And I posted a picture on my Instagram asking if you did want me to, well, I'd already done this and put a picture and recreate it, which this is it. I hope you like. It is a bit extreme. It's very drag-esque. It's basically really heavy makeup and I am not going anywhere, so yeah. So I hope you enjoyed the video and I'll hope to see you in my next video, whenever that will be. So thank you, bye.